This is my second visit to this property. I recently took it on for regular weeding. Here's the manual weeding I've been doing this visit, and here's where I'm yet to do. As an advertised low maintenance solution, the client has had membrane and stone put down. Airborne weeds have subsequently fell on top and progressively colonised the whole border with grass. It's now a more strenuous task to weed than it was in straight soil. Rather than using tools like soil millers, cultivators, hoes, rakes or spades, the operator has to painstakingly go inch by hand. The client now has the choice of it either being very labour intensive, aka costly, or resorting to herbicide at the expense of their and the environment's health, or taking all the stone up and removing and binning the membrane. As a professional who maintains gardens for a living, I can't stress enough that low maintenance branded solutions often generate more costly work for you, the homeowner.
Okay, this space has had 4.5 hours work to it. That's spread over 3 visits, and as you can see, the appearance of the space looks far better. However, as mentioned, the membrane is severely undermined, with weeds growing through it. There's loads and loads of grass seeds that are starting to now germinate, and there's certainly a lot of roots in terms of grass and other weeds still present in the border. So 4.5 hours, there we go.